Hi friends, in the previous video we have seen about the TypeScript types, so of which both JavaScript and TypeScript types it supports. Now in this video we will see about the type assignment and the type inference. That is nothing but small easy concept only. Here you have seen for this method, something like for this function add, we explicitly mentioned that number 1 and number 2 will accept only it accepts only the number type, okay, the data type of number. Okay, so in the same scenario here for this constant n1 also we can mention explicitly that data type. So for here n1, if you see here, for example, if I convert it into the let thing, okay, here if I over it, if I over the thing, you will be able to see here let n1 colon number. That means TypeScript has explicitly took that n1 as the number. So if I remove this one, okay, now let's, if you check here, it it doesn't take any number. Now here I can explicitly convert that one to, so for example, hi. So I can mention anything, so it will not tell any error for me. It will not tell any error. Now if I hover this n1, now it is taking off any type. So now this one is taking as any data it is accepting. Now I can, if I mention this one explicitly as the number, so for the variable declaration also, for the variable assignment also, we can assign the type. So now I explicitly mentioned this one n1 as the number. Now n1 we got an error that I is not assignable to the type number. So that means we can assign directly 20 like this, so that we will be assigning for the n1 variable only the number type. So if you mention here is equal to 20 like this, okay, if you don't mention this one also, TypeScript explicitly understands that okay, this number n1 takes only the integer number data type, so I can assign directly to n1. Now if I try to apply n1 is equal to high or something like this, so it will throw me a error something like that. So it cannot be assignable to the type number. So this is how TypeScript automatically considers the type of the variable. So this is nothing but what we can say is type inference. So it infers the variables at what type of data it has to accept prior when declaring the variable. Okay, so this is nothing but the type assignment. So when assigning the variable only, we can assign the type of the variable. So this is how we can assign the type of the variable. And also, for example, see here, so in the same scenario what we can say is, so in the same scenario we have a variable something like let str is equal to, okay, hello, I have mentioned. Now if we try to check the variable of here, so this one is automatically assigned as a string. Okay, so now if I remove this one, and now if I try to do the hello, and here if I try to do anything str is equal to 10 something like this, okay, now this one is accepting. Actually if you check here, this one is accepting. So if so here it is taking as the any operator. We will discuss about this in anything in the next videos. So now here it is accepting, so we can explicitly mention this one as a string like this. If you mention explicitly like a string like this, then Visual Studio Code automatically throws an error that str10 is not assignable to the type string. Okay, so in this way we can, so if you don't mention this one and if you assign it directly, okay, you need to remember this one, if you assign it directly, string will be assigned automatically the type with the type string. Why? Because we have assigned defaultly with the string data type, string data. So now if you don't assign anything, okay, string str will not take anything into consideration. But if you mention it this one as a string, so now you will get an error like this. Okay, it's better to practice for in the TypeScript. So to mention the type of the variable when you automatically declare that one, so there is no need for us to declare like this. For example, you can mention like this also. Okay, so full form notation you can mention like this also, or otherwise you are automatically assigning. TypeScript automatically defaultly takes that one into behavior, and it will throw an error when you are assigning a number type. Okay, so here you are assigning a string, so TypeScript will assume that okay, this one is it accepts only the string thing, so it should not accept other than the string data type, so it will not accept any other data type other than string. In the same scenario, you will be having another type, something like boolean also. Okay, boolean also we can assign it like this. Okay, this is how we can declare the variables using with their specific type. So we can assign the variable with their types in the TypeScript. This is all about the type assignment and the type inference. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comment below this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.